I have to say that. So I'm very grateful because you are here with me. And today I'm also very grateful 13th of October 2021 here, and I'm grateful for this day. This is the make ourselves happy process. I'm grateful for this day. I'm grateful because I'm live now. Because we don't know what is the which is the last second of our life. Maybe next second I will not be there. This is the fact of life, you know. But I want to connect with you from bottom of the heart and soul. How we can be truly happy in our life. So being in the present moment. Observe what's going on in your life now. Don't think about future or past. Maybe you have made wrong decisions in the past. That's okay. But what you can do now, because this is the time for your all things. Future will never come. Future and past is gone. It will never come back to again. So I have to say that, and I must say you must listen carefully that live in the present moment. Whatever you want to do, whatever you love to do, whatever you want to be in the present moment. Feel that isness, liveness, awareness in your body, and then you can recognize the power of yourself. You have the power, you can make anything possible in your life. If you think big, you can do big, you can work big, you can act big. I am listening one book on YouTube that called is The Magic of Thinking Big. It's really you have to think out of the box. If you don't think out of the box, it will not work. We are what we think. Think big, you will do big. You will be big. So we all have dreams, but we all don't have big dreams. So why do we dream small? We have to dream big. Dream can inspire you. If your dream is big, your action will be big. If your dream is small, your actions will be very small. So understand your power you have within yourself, that greatness within you, that power in within you. If you believe in yourself, you can do anything. It's hard. Life hard because big dreams never come in a simple way. If you learn something in a simple way, it will go from you in a simple way. If you learn something in a hard way, it will bring greatness to you. And learning things, utilizing things, applying that things in your daily life, you can't imagine that you will have a great life that most of the people they desire they have like that kind of life. Everyone wants everyone wants great life, but everyone doesn't want to do like that, doesn't want to take efforts. So you have to make efforts, you have to change your thinking by ordinary to extraordinary, and you can do. So dream big, dream big, dream big.